Here on the Potomac River, in the shadow of the nation's capital, these handcrafted boats are helping troubled teenagers stay afloat.
The rope go over the pins.
All under the watchful eye of Joe Yucha.
We take knuckleheads and turn them into carpenters.
17 years ago, Yucha started a boat building program with the Alexandria Seaport Foundation. The program takes high-risk teens, some dropouts, others with criminal records, and gives them a purpose in life.
What we're trying to do is to take kids who have been unproductive in our society and make them productive citizens.
He does that by teaching them the craft of building and designing boats. From here, possibilities open up, and it's a chance to build a sense of purpose and to chart a new course in life. Jerome Carpenter spent the past 2 years in and out of jail.
It's helped me a lot, helped me keep my cool. I get up in the morning, I got something to do, stay focused.
He never made it past 8th grade, but now he has his GED. 21-year-old Rashia Lewis got into fights in school and was expelled.
This, to me, is not really school. You know what I mean? You learn math and stuff like that, but it's not school. It's fun.
Hold it at an angle.
One of the teachers, Esteban Rodriguez, went through the program.
A lot of the stuff that we teach here is it's hands-on learning, it's hands-on math.
The students earn a modest wage for their work, and Yucha says the program saves the community money as well.
It's really, really expensive to write them off. It costs about $100,000 a year to keep a juvenile detained in Virginia. It costs us $15,000 to run a kid through our program. Half of that goes to the kid.
And the graduates, with a little extra money in their pockets, now have the tools to navigate through life. Nora O'Donnell, NBC News, Alexandria, Virginia.